What's up everybody, welcome to SS Academy. In this video I'm gonna explain you guys what is the import and how we can import the classes. Actually, maybe you don't know what is class. If you are completely new to programming, maybe you don't know what is class, but you shouldn't know this at this time because we will handle these classes or objects in the OOP lessons, I mean object-oriented programming. But for now, you just need to understand that if you want to write a code in the Java, you should create a class here. You can see here I have the Apple class and I have here the main class. Okay, I have two different classes. And also in the Java, I have the external classes. I can say that they are also called external libraries. For example, if you want to write any class here, you should write the class name like this. For example, we have a string class. I can write that string, okay? You can see it. This string is a class and this is completely different than others. For example, when you write the integer a equal 9, you can see this I is the non-capital letter, okay? It's not the uppercase, but this string is the uppercase because in the Java all classes begins with the uppercase. Okay, you can see this S is the capital. So guys, for example, this string is my first class and I'm gonna show you guys how we can import the classes. For example, I want to show you one more class and that class is called the scanner class. Okay, when I write here the scanner, okay, you can see actually my IntelliJ IDE yell at me because you cannot use this scanner class. You can say that how I cannot use this this scanner class is inside the IntelliJ or the JDK, but you cannot use this until you import it because this scanner class you see here coming from these external libraries. You can see here I have the Java C program files, Java JDK and the 1.8. This is my JDK and you can see here I have the .jar files and they are the library roots. You can see here they are the library roots and the scanner class is my external class. Okay guys, if you want to use this scanner class, you should come here and you should say I want to import this. And you can see after this scanner class I have here java.util. Actually java.util is the package in the Java, but you don't know what is package. You shouldn't know right now. You should just know that what is import. Okay guys, I'm gonna click on this. You can see I just got this import java.util.scanner. If you right click and if you go to this Java, you can see this is the java.lang package. Okay, and that is the external library. If you click on this util, you can see this scanner class coming from this util. I have the bunch of things and I should have here the scanner. Let me find this. Where is this? Okay, you can see here this is my scanner class and this scanner class is in the, let's go up, is in the util package. Okay, and this util package is in the Java package. That is why I got here java.util.scanner. Okay guys, this is the basic information for the importing. If you want to use external classes, you should write here the scanner class. You can see when you remove this import from here, your IntelliJ IDE will yell at you. But if you come here, if you say the control and space, and you can see it, the advice says that import this. If you right click on this 2 times and you will get this import. That is what import. If you don't import any classes, you cannot use that classes. Okay guys, so and I want to give you the information for the Windows users and I'm gonna write the shortcut for the Mac OS users. For example, let's assume we remove this and I want to write here the classes. Okay, in the IntelliJ IDE you should click Control Shift and the I. If you click on this, sorry guys, if you click here the Control Shift and I, you will see this by automatically. Okay, and this works for the NetBeans. If you use NetBeans, this works for the NetBeans. If you right click, if you click just enter, you can see the import is done here. We have many options for importing this, or you can come here, you can write this import by yourself, but I don't recommend it. If you don't imported this, you will just come here, you will say the control and the space and you will just click enter. You can see the import is done here. For example, we have another classes or the another libraries that we can import, but I will not use this. I will not show this in this video. Okay, guys, before we start the learning Java classes, we should understand the importing, okay, because they are so important. Okay, guys, in the next video, we will continue to see our classes, and I'm going to explain these imports again in the next video.